In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your smartphone. At the bottom right corner, click on Menu. Now click on See More. Here you will find the Pages section. Now select the page that you want to delete. I want to delete Xiaomi region. Now it says switch to Xiaomi region. Click on switch. Now click on menu at the bottom right corner. Now click on the gear icon at the top. Click on search settings. Search for delete. Select delete page. Click on continue. Click on continue. Scroll down. Click on continue again. Enter the password for your Facebook account. Click on continue. Click on delete page and your page will be deleted. So this is how you delete a page on Facebook. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.